Synonyms. What are synonyms? Synonyms are words which have similar meaning to another word. Important, necessary, crucial, essential, vital, pivotal, imperative. Clothes, apparels, garments, outfits, costumes. Many, several, a number of, myriad, plethora of, numerous, abundant of, enormous, various. Students, pupils, learners, scholars. Harmful, detrimental, deleterious, injurious, dangerous, damaging. People, individuals, masses, folks, human beings, persons. Different, distinguish, distinct, dissimilar, discrete. Show, manifest, appear, reveal, convey, display. Famous, prominent, well-known, renowned, eminent, popular. Useful, worthwhile, beneficial, advantageous, fruitful, valuable. Allow, permit, grant, entitle, sanction, give the right. Fantastic, brilliant, fabulous, amazing. Remarkable, spectacular, magnificent, breathtaking, incredible, astounding. Glorious, splendid, marvelous. Tasty, delicious, mouth-watering, scrumptious, luscious. Subscribe for more lessons.